Are you suffering from the inconveniences of tube welding? Tired of those bulky, annoying carts always getting in the way and taking up valuable space? Fed up with the time and money it takes to maintain your machine and train operators? CPC, your trusted leader in single-use connections, has some exciting news. The end of the weld is here, and it's smaller than you might think. Introducing MicroCNX Series Connectors, the small aseptic single-use connectors and the most efficient alternative to tube welding. This revolutionary MicroCNX connector is designed to make quick, seamless connections for a smarter, faster, and easier process. We asked our CPC engineers to develop a modern solution for connecting small format tubing. The results are game-changing. Troy from CPC is here to show us how the MicroCNX connectors work. It's as easy as pinch, click, pull. Your assembly is now ready for a seamless, sterile fluid transfer. But that's not all. MicroCNX connectors are easier to use than tube welding equipment, helping to reduce the risk of performance, reliability, and safety issues that can result from operator error. Plus, the small size allows more space in your manufacturing environment. If you're ready to say goodbye to your tube welding woes, MicroCNX connectors are the answer. From CPC, your trusted partner in single-use connections.